Okay, so as you can see, this is a video about dueling. Here we have myself at a stunning level 23, as you can see right there. Amer is 43, and my hypothesis is that mentoring down for a duel is bullshit. It is not an even ground at all. Now, I believe that being well below her level, I will still be able to beat her in a duel. Then I would forward this as proof for my hypothesis. So, without further ado, here we go. The victim, partner, is ready to duel. See, with that shield, she's pretty much being wrecked, and I'm taking almost no damage. And I'm not even in the combat or a PvP build. I'm playing Riftblade. Yep, see, I'm at full health, and she's at half now. Alright, so what do you think? I don't think PvP and mentoring is balanced at all, so